Good evening, everyone. I am Kevin Shibu. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am Kevin Shibu, working as technical engineer intern at BIM Labs Engineering Private Limited. In this section, we are discussing about the topic conceptual design on Format 360. Before going to the section, let's talk about BIM Labs. BIM Labs is an authorized training partner and member of Indian Green Building Council. BIM Lab is situated in Kerala, the southern state of India. BIM Labs provide training for students, corporates. BIM implements support for corporate and organization. BIM project outsourcing, BIM placement service. For more details, contact us through email, WhatsApp, Facebook, web, or LinkedIn. Myself, I am Kevin Shibu, working as technical engineer intern at BIM Labs. You can contact me through my Gmail, kevinshibu@bimlabsin, or this is my LinkedIn ID. What is conceptual design? Conceptual design is an umbrella term given to all forms of non-aesthetics design management disciplines. It is the early phase of a design process in which broad outline of the function and forms are articulated. It includes a design of interaction, experience, process, and strategies. It involves an understanding of people needs and how to meet them with products, services, process, common artifacts of conceptual design or concept sketch and model. Since the emergence of the design thinking as a vehicle for business and research development, many conventional trained aesthetic designers have wrongly been called up to support organizations with work workshop pretending specifically to business or process development, and incorrect assumption that all the design is equal to the capacity. This has been resulted in a large shadow being cast out the rolling of a design and business development, and question being asked about the value of the design is the tool for business and research development. This is the agenda of my section. In today's section, we discuss about benefit of conceptual design, computational versus conceptual design in BIM, conceptual design tools, format, geographical locations, import artwork, materials, levels and layers, analysis, and export to Revit. First, benefit of conceptual design. It helps to create a clear user interface which is easy to understand and interrupt. The benefit of the conceptual design is always clarity. It provides of what a product can do and what its intended use is. The key is when creating a product, and without this, the process will encounter the problem later down the line. The design will help to carefully consider the use of point of view, making the final result easier to achieve as well as the current design trends and materials. It helps to describe the role of different users and their requirements in detail so that the project is better understood from the offset. With a good conceptual design, the various processes involved in creating a product will become drawn out, meaning more time and money will have to be funneled into the project to achieve the desired result. This process can be easily streamlined by using a good conceptual design, as this will help preventing the repetitive tasks. Next, we have computational design versus conceptual design. The design research has generated many computational tools to aid the designers over the years. The most of these tools are focused on either the preliminary steps of customer needs gathering or include the steps of detailed design. The conceptual design phase has seen fewer computational tools, even though well-known methods are available, such as brainstorming, eccentric and eccentric search, and morphological analysis. A generalized computational concept tool is presented to aid the designers at conceptual design stage. It relies on storing and reusing the existing design knowledge to create a new concept variant. The concept variant are computed using metric manipulations. Essentially creating a mathematic matrix, the concept generator produces quick concept that can be used for concept selection or as a basic for generating additional concept variant through no computational creative techniques. Next topic is Conceptual design in BIM. In BIM workflow, there are different stages of project from planning stage to demolition or renovation stage. The conceptual design stage comes between programming or detailed design stage, in which a client approach the architect for a project in which the client has some ideas and requirements regarding the project. The architect will prepare a design based on the client ideas and architect knowledge, such that this design or model should have to please the client. That we called as conceptual design. After the conceptual design, the next stage is the detailed design, then analysis, documentation, fabrication, etc. Next topic is conceptual design tools. Mainly we are using SketchUp and Autodesk Format software for conceptual designs. The SketchUp is a 3D modeling computer program for a wide range of drawing applications such as architecture, interior design, landscaping, civil, and mechanical engineering. Next, Format. Format is a powerful BIM tool. Format is an architectural concept design software. It analyzes the conceptual level energy analysis with insight. It also creates computational model with Dynamo. The Format is a 3D sketching tool for conceptual design phase. This software is easy to use and understand the concept. It can build complexity into your architecture modeling process anytime, anywhere. To make informed decisions earlier in the design process with site context, solar impact, and energy analysis. It can optimize our design process and can connect conceptual design to BIM workflow with native Revit integration and cloud access. This is the Format interface. On the top, we have a title bar showing software icon, software name, version, and file name. Next, we have menu bar having options like File, Edit, View, Create, etc. On the below, first we have menu option. It can have variety of file-related options such as Open, Save, Import, etc. Next, we have undo and redo option. Then we have selection filter. It is used to filter out the object type when using area select. Next is a measuring tool. Click to choose between linear and angular measuring tools. Next we have section prime. It is used to cut your model, leaving interior spaces and structural elements. Next we have sketch tool. Click to choose from various sketch tools such as line, arc, spline, rectangle, and circle. Next, we have primitives. Click to choose from various 3D shapes such as cube, dome, pyramid, cylinder, etc. Next option is advanced tool. Click to choose from advanced tools such as Boolean join and cut, sweep, cover, loft, 3D offset, 3D shell, and fillet. Next, we have group option. Click to choose from group tool such as create, edit, make unique, and group or flatten. Next option, we have location. It is to search for a location and import satellite imagery into your sketch. Next, we have sun and shadow option. This is used to change the date and time of the day to study shadows of your model. You can also launch solar analysis from within this panel. Next, we have energy analysis. Click to perform the calculation on a building to determine its energy use Autodesk Insight. Next, we have settings. Click to select application and sketch settings such as snapping, editable dimension, selection, and context visibility and units. Next, we have touch mode. It enables the interaction on the touchscreen device. Next, we have collaboration option. It is used for managing collaboration sections with multiple users. Next, we have Autodesk account option. Signing into or login into your Autodesk account, you can use BIM 360 document cloud services to store and share your sketches. Next, we have help. Click to find out what form it is about, what new, what's new in the released version, and get access to forums, galleries, videos, etc. Next, we have navigation toolbar. On the first, we have perspective and orthographic camera view buttons. This option allows us to easily toggle between the orthographic and perspective camera views. Next, we have top view. It will go to the top-down orthogonal views. Next is 3D view. It will go to default 3D perspective view. Next, we have option called fly through. It walks around your model using gaming-inspired controls WASD to move around, space to fly, QEF to move up, down, or fall to the ground, scrolling with moving to adjust speed, escape to exit. Next option, we have orbit. It will orbit around your cursor or selection as the center of rotation. You can also right-click and drag at any time to orbit. Next, we have swivel option to look around the model by using the current position as the center point. Next, we have pan option. It simply drag the view parallel to the screen. Next, I have the zooming option. This is zoom. This is zoom mode. This is zoom selected option. This zoom selected option is used to zoom the selected areas. On the right side, on the right hand side, we have palette. It contains different palettes. First, properties. On properties palette, display the information and data relevant to the selected object in format workplane. Using properties palette, you can edit the group of the object, assign an object to the layer, and change the material of the object. Next, we have materials. We can select different materials from material option, and we can assign those materials to our model. Next, we have layers. Layers are used to control the visibility of format object. Then we have level option. After creating geometry in format, you can apply levels to indicate where the floor elevation are and to generate the area calculation. Next, we have scenes. You can save a scene viewpoint and it related visual styles and layers sketch states that use this to set up the camera point to steer walkthroughs. Likewise, we have visual chains, dynamo, libraries, undo, plugin, etc. Next topic is geographical location. To accurately analyze your design, you should define the geographical location of the sketch using location feature. Setting the location is important when you want to use building performance data while designing. Click on the location icon from the menu bar. You can either search for a specific location or use the map to browse for a location. Click to place the red pin after you found the location. Click Import Satellite Image to add the aerial photo to your sketch. Using this dialog, appear to crop the satellite image to show the relevant content of your sketch. Click Import Satellite Image to import your satellite image to your drawing space. Next, we have Import Artwork. If we have a drawing or image of the work, we can simply import the image from Files, select Import, and select Locally, and select the image location, and we can simply import our artwork. After importing, right-click on the mouse and select Scale. Scale and move the image until it fits the scheme. Use Transparency slider to adjust the transparency of the image. Next topic is modeling. After setting the image, use the combination of the modeling tools like line, arc, rectangle, etc. to first define the building footprint. Then use push or pull to drag the building height. We can specify the dimension of the height here. Next, we have group. Group is a tool that combines different elements together. This includes edges, face, solids, etc. Double-click to select the object and then right-click on the mouse, then select the group. Grouping is important if you want to take this through the Revit as a mask with mask proof. Right-click on the mouse to select Edit Group, in which we can add name and category to the group, and then select Finish Group Editing. Next topic is materials, levels, and layers. In materials, we can choose different material for our model. From palette, on material, select material. From there, we can either add from the samples or we can import the material and apply to our model for realistic visualization. Next, we have levels. We can apply level to indicate whether the floor elevation are and to generate area calculation. To create different levels, select the object from the group. From properties palette, select level. With area by level turned on, select the level to choose what level to apply to selected object. Next, we have layers. The layers are used to control the visibility of the object. In layers panel, you can create and name your layer by clicking add sign here. And you can double click the name to rename the layer and or toggle the visibility of the object by checking and unchecking the box. Next, we have shadow analysis. A shadow analysis can help to determine the area of the model that will receive less sunlight, that will receive less sunlight or remain in a shadow during a particular time of the year. To perform shadow analysis in Formit, go to Suns and Shadows. Here, options, turn on the shadow and adjust the date and year and notice the change in the shadows. We can see there are different shadow position based on different time setting here. We can also select solar analysis from this tab. Next, we have solar analysis. We can analyze the amount of solar energy in particular area of the building. For that, in shadow analysis, select solar analysis and select the face of the object and then click analyze. Here, we can see the different value of solar energy on the different face of the building, and it is represented in watt-hour per square meter. Next, we have insight analysis. Insight analysis is an energy analysis where we can get energy distribution of the building, and also we can calculate the cost in the energy analysis. For that, go to energy analysis option and select generate insight. We can view the insight by clicking on the link to browser to insight360.autodesk.com. Here, we can see a new interface of our model. It will calculate the energy distribution where we can edit different construction methods. Here, we can edit different construction methods, material to reduce energy cost. By adjusting the graph, find different perspective, window shades, window glass, etc., we can reduce the energy cost here. We can also edit the currency and utility rate for localized condition here. We can select our currency and utility rate from this option. Thus, we can review our model history and energy consumption. Next topic is export to Revit. To export the format file to Revit, first we have to save the format file in a specified location. Then open the Revit software, go to Adding tabs and select Import Format to RVT format here. Select Import Format to RVT and choose the format file location and import it to Revit. Okay, let me conclude my section. You can give feedback and attend the questionnaire for certification in this link. I will paste this link in the chat box also. BIM Labs workshop. We are providing a workshop based on the topic Conceptual Design in BIM, having duration of 5 days, 1 hour class, Starting from 1st to 5th March, having fee structure of 1,500 rupees per head. The topic for next Bzigntalks section is visualization. This section is handled by Bzigntalks, our technical engineer. We also provide summer internship for ongoing engineering students about the topic construction management in BIM, structural design with BIM, MEP design with BIM, AutoCAD drafting and documentation, building energy analysis using BIM. For more details, contact Gautam. You can also join our BIM Labs BIM community through Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Classroom. Site address are provided here. In the BIM community, you get updates about free trainings and seminars, design challenges, knowledge evaluation, placement assistance, etc. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can ask right now, or you can give feedback and questionnaire to get Autodesk certification. I have pasted the link for feedback and questionnaires. Thank you. Okay, thank you.